Are you ready to put the hot cocoa in here? I think my mom showed me a while ago she would use milk because it just made it creamy.
I think it's somewhere there somewhere.
And we have cinnamon.
Good.
Totally creamy.
Get out of there.
Oh, ladies. We can't do it. Harry, I'm on this.
Remember they have a shoe squeak just now.
It ain't no home in my blood.
But yeah, my slide sound like a fart just now.
It ain't no home.
Yeah, motherfucker. I want you out of my face.
What's wrong? You all done? Oh, you don't. It ain't no hole in my blood. There ain't no hole in his blood. There ain't no hole in his blood.
Why the fuck them potatoes look like that?
What?
Why they look green?
Green.
Like them? Why the potatoes don't look green?
What seasonings did you put in them? It look like snot. That's
I use some Parmesan and I use some of this. The potato ain't never looked green before. There's a surprise in there for you.
In this one?
Both of them.
That's good. Can I get this? Something on it.
What the fuck wrong with you?
There's something on it.
It's probably fucking mashed potatoes.
Touch my lip. No! You're not supposed to do mine for me. I was gonna put whipped cream first. Why did you do that?
Let's see what happened, marshmallow.
Not what I was gonna do.
You about to fucking marshmallow.
Supposed to let me do my own. started fucking with me. I didn't. When I left, there was nothing in my cup.
The fucking world didn't end. Just take the fucking marshmallows out. Yeah, them shits was permanent.
In my mind, they were for a second. Because I didn't know what to do. I was like, damn. What the fuck am I supposed to do with these?
Scoop them out.
Yeah, but I didn't want to waste marshmallows.
Yeah, it's a whole bag that's gonna go to waste after this.
Oh, there's caramel.
Hmm?
I said I got the caramel.
So you got the caramel.
And the chocolate.
What you talking about?
You said you put chocolate in it, right?
No.
Because it's a surprise in it. I'm assuming the GRWM was a surprise.
No, I only got one GRWM left. I only got one GRWM left. I didn't put it in there.
Oh, well, there was caramel at the bottom of this one.
From where?
There was caramel on the spoon from in here. If you're trying to tell me that you didn't go in here, you just told me there was a surprise in here. Unless somebody got motherfucking brown mucus in my cup.
Brown mucus?
Yep.
Yeah, I only got one GRWM down here, and I ain't been upstairs.
I don't know that.
What you mean you don't know
I
that?
don't know that. You could have went upstairs and I wasn't looking.
Wind sway? I've been down here the whole night.
I'm trying to figure out what you. Ain't no hole in my blood.
Now take them out and do it right.
I'm the one drinking on this.
No, it's not right. You gotta have a connection.
Nutmeg smell real seasoned. There ain't no hole in his blood. Thank you.
Okay, nutmeg hit him in that, get that nutmeg in the sweet potato pie, you be like, damn.
That's good. At first I thought my shit was gonna taste like sweet potatoes. Only because of the nutmeg.
I think you just automatically associated nutmeg with sweet potatoes.
I did, but this shit slap. There ain't no hole in my blood. That shit went to the beat. Why you stop?
How do you already? Back up off me, playboy.
Hey, you want one? So I ran the generator already, guys, and I have the winner of the giveaway. They will be contacted via DM to get the giveaway. I just didn't feel like posting that on here or sharing that on here because it was a lot of names. And I just didn't, but the winner will be contacted. So the giveaway is now closed. And I'll be sending it off, and I'm gonna drink my hot cocoa with my husband, and we're gonna watch Power. It ain't no hole in my blood.
Get the fuck out of my hot shot.
So we are now upstairs just chilling. I know I'm late, guys, on the video posting, but 18 days straight of Vlogmas is a lot, and I just wanted to chill out. So today's pretty much is just, like I said, I announced the winner already. We're chilling. I'm about to chill out and watch Power with my husband. As a matter of fact, what's up, baby? Because it's by that time anyway for you to go to sleep. I'm gonna get in the shower. Move, baby. In a second. I wish my son would sit down somewhere. Come here. Come here. No, let that shower. Come here. Hey, come on. Then we got baby right here. Yeah, so. Sorry, we're a little underexposed right now. Let me see if I can get some light going for you guys. So, I'm upstairs now with baby. Alright, baby. Yeah, it's just time to chill. I'm about to get in the shower, and I just had to take some time today because I just really wasn't trying to upload any more vlogs. I was tired. I did 18 days straight. That's a lot. But I will be dropping some more videos, and then after Christmas I do plan on continuing. But it's 6 more days, guys. 6 more days until Christmas, but it's coming. Hi, say hi, baby. Mommy has to use her flashlight because it's a little dark in here. You can't have the camera. But anyway, yeah, we're about to watch some TV, you guys, and chill out. Bebe really wants to be in the camera, so. Hi. But yeah, I'm about to call it a night. This video, like I said, we really just announced. Well, I'm not really announcing the winner. Like I said, they are gonna get messaged. Already did or whatever. But yeah, that's pretty much it. This is kind of like a pointless video, but you guys are here. We're here. So yeah. Like I said, I'm about to get in the shower and call it a night, and I will see you guys in the next day's Vlogmas. This one's a little stop.